Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CHUWI Hipad Max, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and whenever you've got 3 buttons navigation, you can simply tap on the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and then the recents will appear. Right here, all we have to do is to either turn off them one by one just by swiping them up, or you can close all of them just by going to the very left of the list and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's tap on the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.